Hey skincare lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY rice cream that's perfect for glowing skin. This homemade cream hydrates, brightens, and soothes your skin naturally. Let's get started. Grab 1/2 cup of white rice and rinse it thoroughly. This step removes any impurities. Next, cook the rice in 1 cup of water. Let it simmer until the rice is soft and has absorbed most of the water. This usually takes about 15-20 minutes. Once your rice is cooked, transfer it, along with any remaining water, into a blender or food processor. Blend until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Now let's add the magic ingredients. Mix in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to soothe and hydrate your skin. Then, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or your preferred carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. This will deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. For a pleasant fragrance, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil like lavender or chamomile. This step is optional but highly recommended. Blend the mixture again until all the ingredients are well combined and the cream has a smooth, consistent texture. Finally, transfer your DIY rice cream into a clean, airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator. It should stay fresh for about a week. So how do you use this amazing cream? You can apply it as a moisturizer on your face and neck after cleansing. It's also great as a night cream to nourish and repair your skin while you sleep. And don't forget, you can use it on your hands or body too, for soft and hydrated skin. This DIY rice cream is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's a fantastic addition to your natural skincare routine. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips.